In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts on Mailchimp in a simple and effective way. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or looking to refresh your skills, this guide is for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to prepare your spreadsheet. Start by opening up your Excel or Google Sheet that contains all your contact information. Having your data well organized in a spreadsheet is crucial. Make sure you've created columns for the essentials, including email addresses, first names, last names, phone numbers, or any other relevant details you plan to import. This will ensure that all your contact information is seamlessly integrated into Mailchimp. While organizing your data, pay attention to formatting. For instance, make sure that fields like addresses adhere to the correct format. This attention to detail will save you from running into issues later on. Once everything's in order, go ahead and save your spreadsheet as a CSV file or comma-separated values file. You can typically do this by navigating to File and then choosing either Download or Save As, followed by the CSV option. This file format is key for importing your data into Mailchimp smoothly. Now let's move on to importing your contacts into Mailchimp. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the sidebar and click on Audience. This is where all the magic happens. From there, select Manage Audience and then click on Import Contacts. You'll then face a question on how you prefer to add your contacts. In this case, select the option to upload file. Now it's time to choose the CSV file you saved earlier. Click on Select a File and navigate to where you stored your spreadsheet. Once you've uploaded the file, simply click on Continue. As you're setting up your contacts in Mailchimp, you'll notice their recommendation to consolidate all your contacts into one audience. This can really help down the road as it simplifies sending personalized marketing campaigns and maintaining your data. When prompted, select the current audience from the drop-down menu. Continuing forth, you'll be asked to tag your contacts. Tags are useful for organizing contacts based on certain characteristics or behaviors. You can search for existing tags or create new ones, then click Continue. Mailchimp will then provide a quick review to ensure your data transfer is correct. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking Continue once more. The final step is choosing the email marketing status for your contacts. Make your selection based on the desired communications, and when you're ready, finalize the import. And there you have it, your contacts are now added to Mailchimp, ready for your next marketing campaign. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.